Good morning, everyone. I'm Mary Grace Tudal, a licensed financial advisor of Blue Life UK. Welcome to our career preview. What is a financial advisor? As a financial advisor, I help people achieve their financial goals by providing personalized advice and guidance. It's a rewarding career that requires strong communications and problem solving. We're hiring, and we're excited to announce that we're hiring. We're looking for part-time and full-time licensed financial advisors to join our team. Qualifications and perks. To be eligible, you need to have at least a college level education, be able to work ASAP, and have a laptop or computer and stable internet connections. And as a licensed financial advisor with ProLife UK, you will enjoy online training, health card, HMO coverage, weekly earnings, quarterly bonuses, and flexibility to work from home or anywhere. How to apply? If you're interested in this opportunity, please send your resume to or mail to plukmarygracetudal@gmail.com with the subject line applicant part-timer or full-timer financial advisor. Join our career preview. Don't don't miss out on this chance to learn more about the career path of a financial advisor. Join our career preview tonight at 8 p.m. via Zoom. To join the event, simply click the Zoom link or put in the meeting ID and passcode. Meeting ID 830-3026-6340 and passcode ALAB2024. September 11, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Zoom meeting. Our panelists for tonight's events are Iris Repilillo and Jasmine Medina, successful business owners and crew representatives. They'll be sharing their experiences and insight of what it takes to succeed in this field. Don't miss out this opportunity to take the first step towards achieving your goals. Join us tonight at 8 p.m. via Zoom and learn more about the career path of a financial advisor. See you later at night. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page at Pre-Online Financial Advisor of ProLife UK, as well as my TikTok account at Mary Grace Kudal. Please like, share, and comment below to show your support. Thank you for watching.